everybody, it's Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and I am excited to be back with my good friend Amara. You know her, of David Weekley Homes. And guess what, guys? Amara has another quick move-in available in Seabrook Village. That's right, we're back in Seabrook with you, Amara. Thanks for having us.
We're happy to have you. Come on in.
We love getting calls from Amara when she says, guess what, guys? I've got another quick move-in available for you.
Yes, and do we have another one? Welcome to our Landon on 110 Blue Oak Court. As you can see, this home has a very grand entryway. You've got a half bath here for your guests, as well as a large storage closet, coat closet, and lots of natural light coming through as well.
And do you want to open that door, Carling, and show the storage? Always good to see. So plenty of storage, whether you use it as a coat closet or just keep it as just puts lots of shelves in there. I love that you have this. Beautiful natural light coming in through the front door into this foyer space. And then we go to a bedroom on the first floor.
Now this is a two-story home, and here on the first level you'll have two bedrooms. So one of them is a secondary bedroom. This would be great for guests because it does have an ensuite bathroom, full bath with a walk-in shower.
Or it's also great, so many people are moving to Nocatee and they also have adult children, kids in college. So this would also be a great space for your college student coming back home because they would have their own space with their own bathroom. So I absolutely love that. And also, Amara, don't forget, you get a lot of calls from people saying that their mother-in-laws, father-in-laws are needing to live with them. So again, having that full bath bedroom on the first floor that's not the owner's suite.
That's right.
Is perfect.
Very versatile. And we come right here into the kitchen, which I like because it's tucked away. So you do have that more formal entryway, and you come in and you get the wow factor here. So this is a gourmet kitchen. You'll have upgraded appliances, and we did do some extra drawers as well, so that you have plenty of storage for all your pots and pans.
Oh, I love those drawers. Carling did just show that. And Carling, as you leave the kitchen, maybe pan back and you can show the amount of drawer space, because normally people put, it's gonna be right here to Carling's left. Yep, right over there. Normally the builders you'll see do cabinets. So to have those drawers, perfect for all your pots and pans. Beautiful color that was chosen also. And hey, David Weekley, guess what, guys? They have a design studio right here in Nocatee. So I want to remind you, you don't have to go far when you buy your home from Amara and David Weekley Homes.
That's right, we make it easy, simple, and convenient for you.
So over here to our left, let's go into one of my favorite rooms in the house. Wait till you see this.
Yeah, and normally it might be a little odd that this would be your favorite room, but the way that we have it decked out makes it just beautiful. So you've got everything you could possibly need. Not only do you have the tall ceilings, which make the laundry room feel larger, you also have a sink, a countertop, and storage space.
Yeah, I love that. And that's the other thing is David Weekley, what they could have done is just done the normal storage under the stairs, which they've always done a good job. But this time they created a terrific laundry room space. Plenty of room. I absolutely love it. And also it's away from, you know, everything, so you're not going to hear it when you're in your owner's suite. So I absolutely love that.
Yep, there's no shared walls there, so it is very private. And I do just want to take in this dining room, family room combo. This home is just over 2,200 square feet, but it does not feel like it.
It does.
So this open space here really plays into our life design concepts, and the tall ceilings here as well, 10-foot.
Lots of recessed lights. Notice that throughout the house. And the vinyl fence. I also want to let you know, I'm thrilled that this home has a vinyl fence around the entire thing. So guess what, guys? You move in here with a pet, you already have a fence put in.
Yes, we completed it for you so that this home truly is move-in ready. You can come in and it's already going to feel like home.
Beautiful. So lots of space in your backyard. I love the covered patio.
Yes, this is an extended covered lanai. So you could do a lot with this. You could screen it in. You've got already the gas stub out if you wanted to do a grill or maybe start an outdoor kitchen space. So you've got plenty of room to work with. And then toward the back of the home here, we have our owner's retreat that we're gonna see in just a moment. I love how secluded it is. This particular owner's retreat, we did something special and we increased it by 3 feet.
Oh.
So it's a lot larger than the average owner's retreat. And you'll see here, you've got lots of windows for light coming through. We did a tray ceiling accent. So this room, although it's very grand, it still feels cozy.
And I love the flooring throughout this whole first floor.
Yes, this home has a lot of coastal notes and touches. We stayed light and bright with a lot of our design selections.
And look at this also. What's great is because of the wall space and the placement of the windows, you don't have to put your bed just on one side. If you're not going to put a television in the room, you really have 2 options of spaces to put your headboards, which is terrific.
And here we have the owner's bath, which again is very spa-like, very serene. We have our David Weekley signature super shower, which we'll see a little bit more in a minute. And we did some upgraded touches with the rain shower head and the designer hardware as well.
And I want to remind people as Carling is going through this beautiful bathroom that we are in Seabrook Village. Seabrook Village is south of the Nocatee water parks. And what's great about Seabrook Village is, guess what, guys? You have Seabrook Park. Seabrook Park is the newest CDD amenity. And you can actually go on Nocatee.com and you can turn on the Walk Through Wednesday channel and you will see we did a video there. But you are steps away from it and you're gonna find a just terrific playground, over a 7,000 square foot pool. It has a sun deck, and that just means large spaces in the water where you can lay down, relax, put your legs out, and also the dog park. Carling and I couldn't get over the space for the large dogs park specifically, and we were actually told it's one of the biggest in Nocatee. So that's a dry dog park, no water features. And as we come out, I just had to have Carling pan to the left. This wall,
Yes.
beautiful.
So this is something that we don't do in a lot of our quick move-ins, but as you can see in this home, we did a few extra special touches. So we did some custom wall detailing here, which just sets this home apart and makes it a little bit more unique and adds a little something different.
Very beautiful. Thanks for pointing that. I was like, hold on, Amar, we gotta talk about that for a second. And Amar, I think you have a lot of quick move-ins, more like a handful at least, available today here in Seabrook Village.
I do. That means that you can get in this summer while the water parks are full force, before the kids get into school, whatever your situation may be. We do have availability still remaining here in Seabrook Village, multiple size homes and different features as well.
So make sure you check out all the quick move-ins that David Weekley Homes is offering on Nocatee.com. In the search engine, type in quick move-ins unless it's already a pop-up that comes when you open the screen. Okay, great loft space.
Yeah, so this is a loft space here, which again is great for if you have guests that are staying on the second level. This could be a second living room. If you've got children, it would be a great play space. And I do want to point out, this is a special feature. We call it upgraded attic storage, but I like to call it a floor to basement. So this here is all storage space. You don't have to crawl through a ladder, in your garage to get to your storage. It's easily accessible here, and you have plenty of room for all your holiday decorations or anything you might need to store.
All right, David Weekley Homes, that was a smart one there. Everyone needs to do that, by the way.
Our homes are not only beautiful, they're also functional.
Yeah, very functional. So now we've got 2 bedrooms up on the second floor, and what's great is if you don't need them, hey, that's 2 home offices. It's a craft room, an office, it's guest space. I also was thinking, if you wanted to be on the first floor and let's say you only had 1 child or 2 children, maybe they were young enough to share a room, you could all be on the first floor and your guests on the second floor. So that this space and design is really functional for any life stage.
It is. This is a home that you could grow into no matter what stage you're in.
And again, I love all the windows are beautiful. So this particular home, give us again all the bullet points, the square footage, how many bedrooms?
So this is just over 2,200 square feet. It's our Landon plan. It's 4 bedrooms with 3.5 bathrooms and a loft space.
And it doesn't feel like 2,200 square feet.
It does not.
You need to call Amara today because this house is going to sell like that. We're in Seabrook Village, Seabrook Park. Check it out. You're steps away. And don't forget the Nocatee Landing, which is the paddle launch right down the road from here. So you're kayak, canoe, paddle boarding on the Intracoastal Waterway. So thanks for always watching Walkthrough Wednesday. Thanks, Amara. So excited for you.
Thank you.
All right, bye guys.
Bye.